Now, let me explain how to fix the media last not find CapCut error on your PC. This issue often arises when files are moved or deleted, so follow these steps carefully to resolve it. First, you need to return the files to their original locations, as you can see here, to resolve the issue effectively. This error usually occurs when a video has been deleted or when the file has been moved, as you can see in this example. The folder was renamed, or even the external drive was disconnected, as you see here. Return the file to the same folder where it was originally located when the project was created, as shown here. Try simply relinking the lost file to restore it, as you can see in this helpful example here. If CapCut provides you with the option button labeled Relike Luck Replace, carefully click on it and then specify the new location of your file to resolve the issue. CapCut will carefully relink the project with the video file now. If it's not working, please check the external drive or USB flash drive for any issues, as shown. If the original file was stored on a USB flash drive, as you can see here, try reconnecting the device and carefully check to ensure that the drive letter hasn't changed. This simple step can often resolve issues related to file accessibility and project linking. Please try to check all of this carefully to ensure everything is working properly. Thank you all for watching. Wishing everyone good luck, and now, goodbye for now, everyone.